Okay, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to navigate around the Merch by Amazon dashboard. Okay, so you click on your resources and you're going to find all the stuff, all the legal stuff, the frequently asked questions. If you have any problems, you could contact Amazon here. It's going to teach you how the royalty system, your configuration, contact the content policy. So you get the idea. Your bank account details in there. I won't click on that now, but you'll figure it out once you go in there. Anyway, click on the dashboard, and you'll see the main information here. Your revenue and royalties. Every day you should just kind of read this and just kind of read the up-to-date news. If you click on manage, you can see things, stuff has been removed. You can upload drafts and get ahead. Processing stuff that you've been rejected, so you can just click and see. You can get straight to your designs like that. Analyze, you'll see, like your long-term sales and stuff and your earnings. You'll see all your earnings per month here. You can select which kind of month. You can download as a CSV. There's some software out there where you can download the CSV and you can see what type of shirt you've sold and all that stuff. What color shirts, if they're female or male or kiddie sizes. So this download button can be quite useful. So you go down this list and you can see what you've sold. If you click on create, this is how you add your shirts to the system. We're in a big freeze right now, so I can't upload any right now. You can draft, but there's a big freeze, so you probably won't be able to. You probably won't see this by the time you get into this. So you upload your PNG files here, and you choose your product type. So you got the standard shirt, the premium shirt, which costs a little bit more but better quality. But that means you got to reflect that into your pricing, and you got the long sleeves. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the dashboard. This is a third-party extension. So this is an add-on, so you won't see this until you add the extension, and I'll put this in the resources later. But you get to see a bit more an overview of what you've made and what sales and stuff. So that's the Amazon dashboard navigation. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.